miles per hour sensor to get here. Yes sir, mbcustoms, man. Now I gotta put this bracket in there, custom fit this bracket back in there. Everything can be nice and closed up. Everything. Factory look. This gonna be the inside. Stay tuned, it's gonna be crazy. And I'm doing new, I just wrapped the door panels. I'm gonna do a new top panel, custom with LED lights. I'm gonna put some LED lights on the side. The gas, hands up, everything. So next we gotta do on here, I'm gonna show you guys the panels. I'm working on them right now. They'll be done. Let me turn this off. And that look good. That looks good. Let me get a picture of that. So next we gotta do a, still turn it off. Next we gotta do the front trans seal. Front trans seal.